Hello students, today I am going to start exercise 6.3. Okay, so the question 1 is add the following decimal, and the question A is and the question A is 6.78, 23.5 and 42.8. We will arrange them in column. So first decimal is 6.78 and then 23.8. Before the decimal we will write, and before the decimal on ones place 3. Here the decimal, and before the decimal on ones place 3, on tens place 2, and here on the 10th place it will be 5. Now the 42.8, before the decimal on ones place we will write 2, on tens place we will write 4, and after the decimal on 10th place we will write 8. Okay, now we will add it. If you want to make them like decimals, you can make them to put 0 at the end of right side to the decimal. Okay, so 8 plus 0 plus 0, it will be 8, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 0, carry 2, decimal point here, 6 to 8 plus 3, 11, plus 2, 13, 3, carry 1, 4 or 2, 6 or 1, 7. So the answer is 73.08. Now the second question is 0.009, the second decimal 9.9 and 99.09. So we will start to write from first decimal 0.009. Okay, now the second decimal is 9.9. Before the decimal on the ones place we will write decimal, here the decimal place, after the decimal on 10th place 9. Now the third decimal is 99.09. Before the decimal on ones place we will write 9, and before the decimal on 10th place we will write 9, and here the decimal, and after the decimal on 10th place it will be 0, and on 100th place it will be 9. We will make them like decimals. To make them like decimal we will put 2 0 here, and here 1 0. After the decimal at the end we can put 0 to make them like decimals. Now add these decimals. 9 0 0 9, it will be 9, 0 9 plus 0, it will be 9, decimal point 9 plus 9, it will be 18, carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10. So the answer is 108.999. Now the question 2, and in question 2 subtract the following decimals are given and you have to subtract the decimals. 12.65 from 29.860. So right here 29.860. Now 12.65, before the decimal on the ones place 2 we will write here decimal, and before the decimal on ones place 2, and on tens place it will be 1, we will write here 1. On after the decimal on 10th place here 6, on 100th place here 5. Okay, so these are the unlike decimal. We will make them like decimals. To make them like decimal we will put here 0 to make the 3 place decimal. Now we will subtract it. 0 minus 0 0, 6 minus 5 1, 8 minus 6 2, decimal point 9 minus 2 7, 2 minus 1 1. So the answer is 17.210. Now the question B, 21.11 from 211.111. So we will write firstly this decimals, 211.111. Now 21.11 we will write before the decimal point, and before the decimal on ones place 1, on 10th place 2, and after the decimal on 10th place 1, and on 100th place it will be 1. And these are the unlike decimal. To make them like decimal we will put here 0. We will subtract it. 1 minus 0, it will be 1, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, here the decimal point 1 minus 1 0. Now 1 minus 2 we will take carry from 2, it will be 11, 11 minus 2 9, and here 1. Now the question third, and in question third simplify the following. Question A, 7.86 minus 6.23 plus 11.2, and you know that in simplification firstly we will add the decimals. So we will add, this is also the addition decimal, 7.86 6, and the second one is 11.2. Before the decimal 11, we will write here 11, and after the decimal on 10th place it will be 2. We will add them, make them like decimal. We will write 0 at the end. 6 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 2, 10. 7, 8 and carry 9, and here 19.06. Now we will write 19.06 and we will subtract 6.23. 6.23 from 19.06. Subtract it. 6 minus 3, 3. It will take carry. Subtract just like whole numbers. 0, it will take carry from 9, it will be 10. 10 minus 2, 8. Decimal point, here 8 minus 6, it will be 2, and here 1. So the answer is 12 point. We will find out now the question 5. What should be added to 24.67 to get the greatest 2-digit number? So firstly we will write the greatest 2-digit number, and we know that the greatest 2-digit number 99. 99 is the greatest 2-digit number, and the given number is 24.67. So we will subtract 24.67 from the greatest 2-digit number, and the greatest 2-digit number is 99.00. And you will subtract 24.67 from 99, you will get 74.33. So the answer is 74.33 should be added to 24.67 to get the greatest 2-digit number. Okay. Now the question 6, and in question 6, subtract the sum of 0.018 and 997.35 from 1000.1. Firstly we will add these two decimals and then subtract from these decimals. So just like here 0.018 and the second decimal 997.35. Before the decimal on the ones place 7, on the tens place 9, on the 100 place 9, and after the decimal on 10th place it will be 3, on the 100th place it will be 5, and this, to making them like decimal, we will put here 20 at the end of decimals. Okay, after that we will add them. 8 plus 0, 8, 1, 5, 3, 7, 9, 9. Okay, now we will subtract this decimal from 1000.1. we will write here 1000.1, and to make them like decimals we put 30 at the end of the decimals. After that we will write 997.3518. we will subtract them. After subtraction you will get the answer 2.7482. this is the answer. Now the question 7, money spent on shop 46.38, money spent on shampoo 52.15, money spent on medicines 195.62. we will find out total money spent by her. We will add these decimals, spent on medicine, shops and shampoo. We will get 294.15. after that she gave to the shopkeeper 500 rupees, and we have to find out how many money she will get back. So to find out how much money she will get back, we will subtract money gave to the shopkeeper 500 rupees and money spent by her 294.15. we will subtract this, and then we will get the answer 205.85. so she will get back rupees 205.85, and this is the answer. Okay, after that now the question 8, the temperature in Delhi over the weekend was 39.2 degrees Celsius and in Bombay was 18.3 degrees Celsius. Which city was hotter during the weekend and by how much? Okay, here the temperature of Delhi is given and temperature of Bombay is given, and we have to compare which one is which in which city the temperature is high. If you compare, you will notice 39.2 degrees Celsius is the high temperature. It means in Delhi the temperature is hotter. So, and now you have to find how much hotter. You will write this the solution. Look here, temperature in Delhi 39.2 degrees Celsius and temperature in Bombay 18.3 degrees Celsius, and you have to find out hotter temperature. You will subtract the temperature of Delhi, you will subtract the temperature of Bombay from Delhi. 39.2 degrees Celsius minus 18.3 degrees Celsius, you will get 20.9 degrees Celsius. Okay, so Delhi was hotter during the weekend by 20.9 degrees. Question 9, the tallest girl in the class is 155.6 centimeter tall and the shortest girl is 149.8 centimeter tall. What is the difference between their heights? So in these questions, the height of tallest girl is given and height of shortest girl is given, and you have to find out the difference between their height. Okay, so how you will solve? You will write height of the tallest girl and then height of the shortest girl, 149.8 centimeter. Then you will find difference in their height. You will subtract the shortest girl height from the tallest girl height, 155.6 centimeter minus 149.8 centimeter. You will get 5.8 centimeter, and this is the answer. Now the question 10. An oil tanker has a capacity of 750 liters. 3 containers of 100.75 liters, 250.35 liters and 325.15 liters are filled with the oil from the oil tanker. How much oil is left in the tanker? In these questions, the capacity of oil tanker, full capacity of oil tanker is 750 liters, and from this tanker the 3 containers are filled. Okay, and the capacity of containers are given here, and you have to find out how much oil is left in the tanker. So firstly we will write capacity of first containers 100.75 liters, capacity of second containers this, and then capacity of third container 325.15 liters. Oil filled in 3 containers. To find out the how much oil is filled in 3 containers, we will add them, and after the addition you will get 676.25 liter. Okay, now you will get the capacity of containers. We will find out oil left in the tanker. Capacity of a tanker 750 liter. To make them like decimal, we put here 20. Capacity of containers we get from here 676.25 liter. Now we will subtract capacity of containers from the capacity of tankers, and then you will get the answer 73.75. so the oil left in the tanker is 73.75 liter. Got it? Hope this video is helpful for you. If you like the video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.